Today we want to find all file names from a folder. So let's see our folder. We have different kinds of files and we even have subfolders, and it's important for us that empty folder is empty, and we want to find list of all files. Let's say not all, let's say files connect to Excel. So we have to do some filtering, but we know the path for this folder, so we can copy it, Ctrl C, and then we can go to Excel, and the simple solution I know, use Power Query. So we are going to Data tab, get data from file, from folder, and here we can find our folder ourselves, or click here on the navigation bar, let's say, and Ctrl V, copy paste the whole path. So we see we have subfolders. We don't see file, but we see subfolders, and we can open this folder and we can see that Power Query prepare for us whole bunch of information about files that are in this folder and also in subfolders. We don't see empty folder because there isn't any files, and it's okay for us in this solution. So we have to go to transform data because we want to just list and add some filtering to get the data that we are only the data we are interested in. So we can, first of all, we can filter folder path. So if we are just interested in the main folder, we can just select this main folder and filter it. But we want all files, even in the subfolders. The second information, the second filtering is on extension, because we are interested in Excel files. Let's say Excel files, so the files that start with XLS, .xls, and we have to remember that Power Query is case sensitive. So the proper way to filter by this extension column, if we have some suspicions that can be uppercase letters, and we in most cases have lowercase letters, we have to transform our extension column, and we want to change format and go to lowercase. I prefer lowercase, we can go uppercase, doesn't matter. But now we can filter this column by text filters. So we want all text that begins with dot, first of all begins with dot and XLS. It should get all extension connect with Excel, and we can now press OK. So we have extensions and we have our file names with extension, and we don't need in this example other information. So just click name column, right click, and from the menu remove pop-up menu, remove other columns, and we have just this one column, one piece of information. We have file names with extensions, but sometimes we don't need those extensions. In those cases we can add one more step to our Power Query. So select column, transform tab, and extract values texts before delimiter, and our delimiter is just dot, and press OK, and we have just file names without extension. But let's say I want extension, so I will delete this step and then go to Home tab, close and load to Excel, and just like that I will have the list of files I needed.